Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Express account. First, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top section over here, and enter it after you're done. And click on this option that says My Account of the Express official website. And click on the Accept All. And in the top right corner over here, there's this icon. Click on that and click on the Sign In. And after that, you are required with the email address and your password in order to log into your Express. So type down your email address and your password as well and click on the sign in and then you'll be successfully logged in to your Express account. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, consider clicking in this option in order to recover or reset it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.